Hi, it's Karen from PortPrep for the Animation Summer Camp, and I'm just heading over to the studio now to show you where the classroom is and get set up with the owner of the studio, Cynthia Waldo, Necessary Arts. It's an awesome co-op community of artists. So this is the downtown square. This is where you're going to be hanging out. So it's very nice. And then just down that walkway over there is the studio. So let's go see, okay? No. All right, so I'm going to show you the view now. Walking down this, there's the pathway. It's called the walkway. There's parking just back through there, so it's really easy. And it's close to buses. And oh, here we are coming into the studio now. So this is it. They've put up some screens for us because we've got figure drawing happening and we need some privacy. So normally it's this nice big open studio. It's really nice, but there's lots of light. And so let's go in and meet Cynthia, okay?